like kasama, lahat ng galaw ko, alam niya. Yung tricksta na ginagawa namin is to get her focus para sa akin siya lagi nakatingin. Dahil nagustuhan ko lang siya, no, for no reason, na-focus ko na yung sarili ko na yun ang gusto ko. Kahit may sakit ako, sa tabi lang siya. Kasi talaga hindi siya nangungulit, sa bahay lang siya. They know kung malungkot ka or may nararamdaman ka. Hindi sila yung ganun ka very demanding. Hindi mo ma-define kung gaano ko siya kamahal talaga.
Displaying the unique friendship between Man and his best friend, here's Charlie Ang and Yuri.
Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get away. Say, what they gonna say? Have a drink, clink, down the Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money and don't give two shits. I'm on the floor, I love to dance, so give me more, till I can't stand. Get on the floor, like it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am. Starships, we're meant to fly. And touch the sky. Can't stop, 'cause we're so high. One more time. One more time. Hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Can't I own that. And I am paying my rent this month. I own that. But we was on the way, was outside. Dance all night, there's no end in sight. Don't let us stop. Let everybody let the haters play, right. Let's spend all your money 'cause they pay. You a tree. I ain't gonna leave you, so call me Day.
Charlie and Yuri. Magandang gabi, Charlie. And magandang gabi din sa'yo, Yuri. Alright, Charlie. Anong klaseng aso muna si Yuri?
Border Collie.
Border Collie. And ito bang training mo, how long does it take for you to train a dog to get to this point?
Never stop.
Never stop. Basta
Never
tuloy-tuloy
stop.
na training.
Yes.
Bonding with your
Yes.
best friend.
Yes.
Alright. Are you impressed, sweet?
Ang cute! Ay, grabe. Charlie, ilang buwan mo na, o ilang taon mo na tinitrain niya si Yuri?
2 years and a half.
Siya ilang taon na? 3?
2 years and a half.
So since puppy pa lang, tinitrain na?
Yes.
Ay, ang husay-husay, ang cute-cute, ang ganda. Marami na akong nakita ng mga acts ng dog trainer tsaka yung aso, pero sa inyo kakaiba kasi sumisirkus, tsaka gusto ko yung nagbabalag siya sa paa mo, sa likod mo. Ang bongga, ako 3 aso ko, wala naman talent. Yung Shih Tzu ko mukhang bulldog. Yung artist ko may lus-lus. Yorkie ko, yung bunso ko, Yorkie. Ano ba talent nun? Wala. Itong aso mo, ang daming talent.
Tsaka, sweet, if you take note, hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo sa malayo, he's very relaxed. Kahit sa dami ng tao, with the music, with the lights, he's not bothered at all.
Sanay sa tao.
Yes. Very well.
Wala yung mga aso ko rin naman sanay sa tao. Madalas na nakikidnap yung mga yun. Pinabalik ako na nalaman na ako may-ari. In fairness sa'yo, Charlie, mabuhay ka, ha? Sa lahat, bongga ka.
Nakita ko talaga yung relationship nyo. Kasi hindi magiging ganyan ka-effective at hindi magiging ganyan kaganda ang performance nyong dalawa kung hindi ganun close ang inyong relationship. Sinasabi nila, ay, ang galing ng dog, ang galing ng dog. Ang totoo nun, actually magaling ang trainer.
Thank you.
I'm a fan of Cesar Milan sa US, he's a dog whisperer. Sabi niya nga, ang aso hindi actually itinitrain. Actually, yung tao ang dapat itinitrain para maging mahusay ang aso. Kaya, alam mo, siguro, katulad niyan, ang ginagamit nyo ngayon, frisbee, meron ka pa bang baon sa bulsa mo, just in case, sa susunod, meron pang mga ano.
I still have 3 more dogs.
Okay. 3 more
Dogs!
Okay, so hindi ibang tricks ang gagawin mo if ever. Ibang dog ang isasama mo.
Yes.
Wala. May isa raw nagsisingkil.
Singkil, huda-huda, palayok, kawayan. O baka may nakipaglaro sa pusa. O baka may aso kung nagsasalita. Winner ka na.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na napakaganda ng performance nyo. Salamat sa presentation
Thank
nyo.
you.
Talagang natuwa naman kami. Ako, I really love dogs. I have a big dog, which is a Labrador. Ayan ang mga gusto kong klaseng aso. But see how mellow. He ba or she?
She po. She.
Okay. So thank you very much.
Thank you
and thank
very
you
much.
to Yuri.
You know, you're so lucky, you're so timely kasi the three of us are dog people. We're dog persons. We all love dogs. I used to have a lot of Labradors, pero now nag-adopt ako sa POS thanks to Direct Rich. Okay, and I have 2 Ascals whose names are Phil and James because I love the Ascals.
Wow!
And seeing, nakakita ako ng ganyan, talagang sobra akong na-amuse. But tama ang sabi ni Lani it is the relationship, yung pagmamahalan ng trainer at saka ng kanyang aso, okay? Na so much so, nakitang-kita mo yung bonding ninyong dalawa. Because any dog can be, disciplined to do things, but for them to do tricks ganyang ka-efficient means that there is a loving relationship between the two of you.
Yes.
And you know what, through all the years, I've come to realize, the more I know, relax girl, okay? I've come to realize, hindi ba, the more I know about men, the more I love my dogs. Okay, so you're so lucky and bravo. I can't wait to see your other dogs. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Talent Scouts. Charty, maraming salamat sa pagpapasikat ni Yuri.
Thank you, Ryan.
Yuri, thank you very much. Very attentive. Alright, palakpakan mo natin si Yuri. Isang awiting punong-puno ng pangarap-handog ng ating huling talentado, abangan ang kanyang tinig sa pagbabalik ng Talentado Pinoy Worldwide.